Want to block a YouTube channel, but can't find the option? Here are 3 easy ways to stop seeing unwanted videos. First, hide a channel from your recommendations. Open the YouTube app on your phone. On your home feed, find a video from the channel you don't want to see. Tap the 3 dots next to the video. Select Don't Recommend this channel. From now on, YouTube will stop showing videos from that channel. Mark videos as not interested. If you only want to remove a specific video, tap the 3 dots next to the video. Select Not Interested. This helps YouTube understand the type of content you want to avoid. Hide a user from your own channel. If the issue is harassment or unwanted comments, visit the user's channel. Tap the 3 dots on the top right. Select Hide User from My Channel. This prevents that user from commenting on any of your videos in the future. Found this helpful? Hit like and subscribe for more videos.